Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Klarna Digital Card. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Klarna app installed. Open the app and log in to your account. Once inside, go to your Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your existing cards at the option to add a new one. Tap Add and then select Create an In-Store Digital Card. You can browse available stores or retailers that accept Klarna. Choose your preferred store and enter the amount you want to spend. You can also add a little extra to cover taxes if needed. Next, choose your payment plan. Klarna will give you options to pay later or in installments. Fill in your contact details, address, and card information to finalize the setup. Once confirmed, Klarna will generate your digital card, ready to use at the selected retailer. And that's it. That's how to set up Klarna Digital Card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.